Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best armor wrench is probably one of the most versatile and robust tools you can add to your arsenal, designed to tackle a wide array of automotive and mechanical tasks with unparalleled ease and efficiency, making it an indispensable asset for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike who demand precision and durability in their equipment. Number 5. MidTen Laser Bore Sight Kit. Tired of spending too much time zeroing your scope? This device makes it simple and fast. It comes factory zeroed, so you can get on target quickly and easily, right out of the box. Getting your optic aligned is a breeze. Just insert the batteries, place it in the chamber, and adjust your sight to match the laser dot. No tools are needed, making it perfect for everyone. You'll have plenty of power for your sighting needs. It includes 2 sets of batteries, offering up to 3 hours of total runtime. Remember to remove the batteries when not in use. Don't let dim conditions slow you down. This tool works exceptionally well in low light and dark environments, perfect for dawn, dusk, or indoor use. Its sighting range is up to 100 yards. Built to last, this device features a sturdy brass construction. It's designed for long-term use and reliable performance, no matter the temperature. What we like. Zero your scope in minutes with this factory-zeroed bore sight. Its tool-free installation makes it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. If you're looking for a quick and hassle-free way to get on target, this is the one for you. What people say. The Armor Wrench AR tool is a game-changer for AR platform enthusiasts. Its innovative design allows for quick and easy disassembly and reassembly of AR-15 rifles, saving valuable time during maintenance or upgrades. This tool is incredibly versatile, handling multiple functions such as barrel nut removal, castle nut tightening, and even acting as a buffer tube wrench. The robust construction ensures durability and reliability for years to come. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight distribution make the Armor Wrench AR tool comfortable to use, even for extended periods. Its compact size also makes it easy to store in a range bag or toolbox. Number 4. Gardner Bender LNW-KIT Locknut Wrench Kit. Introducing the Gardner Bender Locknut Wrench Kit, designed to tackle tough jobs. This kit is your solution for loosening and tightening locknuts with ease. Struggling with confined areas? Its thin design allows for easy maneuvering in tight locations. It fits the majority of UL locknuts, making it incredibly versatile. Clearly marked with etched markings, identifying the correct end is simple. The clearly marked tighten and loosen ends make usage a breeze. Built with durable steel construction, this tool is strong enough to get the job done. You can rely on its robust build for long-lasting performance. The innovative hooked tip latches onto the locknut, maximizing your turning leverage. This feature ensures you can apply the necessary force efficiently. This convenient kit contains 1/2 inch wrench and 1/3 inch wrench. You'll have the right size for most common locknut applications. What we like. This Locknut Wrench Kit is designed for those tricky, tight spaces where other tools can't reach. With clear markings for tightening and loosening, it makes the job a breeze. If you often find yourself struggling with UL locknuts in confined areas, this kit offers the perfect solution. What people say. This tool is a game changer for AR platform owners. It makes disassembly and reassembly of AR-15s incredibly simple and efficient. The design is robust and well thought out, with every component serving a purpose. Number 3. Real Avid 360° Swiveling Bench Vise. Effortlessly position your projects at any angle with its 360° swivel. This allows for optimal positioning, making your workflow faster and easier, especially for DIY gun projects. Achieve perfect alignment with the integrated leveling knob, offering micro adjustments for precise positioning. This ensures accuracy, making tasks like scope mounting incredibly simple. Handle demanding projects with confidence. Its design provides superior leverage in a rock-solid lock, offering the stability and control needed for high-torque applications up to 100 ftLb. Experience exceptional versatility with its rapid adjustments and articulating ball joint. It's the perfect addition to your workbench, unlocking potential for woodworking, gunsmithing, and more. Safely secure a wide range of firearms with the reversible gun fit jaw sleeves. They provide an optimal grip and protection for various firearm components, ensuring your work is done right. What we like. Achieve optimal positioning for all your projects with this 360-degree swiveling bench vise. Its integrated leveling knob ensures precise alignment, making tasks like scope mounting incredibly accurate. If you demand versatility and stability for high-torque applications, this vise will significantly enhance your workflow. What people say. This tool is a game-changer for AR platform owners, simplifying the assembly and disassembly process significantly. The design is incredibly intuitive, allowing for one-handed operation in many instances, which is a huge plus during maintenance. Its robust construction ensures durability, and the integrated features, like the built-in vise jaw, make it a versatile addition to any gunsmith's toolkit. Number 2. Torque Screwdriver Set 10 to 70 in LB. Easily monitor and verify applied torque with our innovative seeable window. This provides real-time feedback, ensuring precise and accurate application for all your repair and mounting tasks. Prevent damage and over-tightening with a clear visual indication when the set torque limit is reached. This ensures you never exceed recommended torque, promoting safety and preventing component damage. Handle a variety of applications with its versatile torque range of 10 to 70 inch-pounds. It provides ideal torque control for intricate repairs, calibrations, maintenance, and mounting tasks. Built to withstand demanding use, its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. You can rely on its durability for repetitive tasks, making it a valuable addition to your toolbox. Work comfortably with its ergonomic design, featuring a non-slip grip and intuitive adjustment. This enhances user experience and reduces fatigue, allowing for precision and efficiency. What we like. Ensure precise torque application and prevent damage with the seeable torque window on this screwdriver. It offers a wide range of applications, from car repair to bike tools and scope mounting. If you're someone who values accuracy and wants to avoid over-tightening delicate components, this tool provides the confidence you need. What people say. The Armor Wrench AR tool is a game-changer for AR platform maintenance. Its innovative design allows for quick and easy disassembly and reassembly of AR-15 rifles. The integrated features, such as the castle nut wrench and the bolt carrier group scraper, make it an all-in-one solution for gunsmithing tasks. Number 1. Pridefend Brass Punch Set with Bench Block. This set features hammers crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel for exceptional durability. They are designed to withstand rigorous use and won't break, offering a stronger and more reliable performance than other options. Customize your tools with 4 different interchangeable hammer heads. Choose from brass, steel, nylon, and rubber to perfectly match the demands of any job you encounter. Experience the difference with our strong, high-quality punches. Unlike cheaper alternatives, these are built to last and won't bend or mismatch, ensuring precise work every time. Protect your firearm during maintenance with this non-marring polymer bench block. It includes specialized grooves and channels designed for efficient removal of various pins and parts, making upkeep a breeze. Keep your tools tidy and accessible with the included portable storage case. Each component is clearly labeled with its size, making it easy to find what you need and transport your set. This punch set is constructed with only high-quality, sturdy components. It's designed for most pistols, fitting the 1911 perfectly, and we guarantee your satisfaction or your money back within 30 days. What we like. This brass punch set offers exceptional versatility with its 4 removable hammer heads and a variety of durable punches. The included non-marring polymer bench block protects your firearm during maintenance. If you're looking for a high-quality, all-in-one solution for firearm maintenance and repairs, this set is built to last. What people say. The Armor Wrench AR tool is a well-designed and functional tool for AR enthusiasts. It simplifies the process of assembling and disassembling AR-15 platforms, making maintenance easier. The tool's durable construction ensures it can withstand regular use in a gunsmithing environment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.